5 signs. Your lymphatic system is clogged and how to fix it naturally. Imagine this, your body has an intricate waste disposal system working 24/7 to keep you healthy. But what if that system gets backed up? The result: fatigue, illness, skin issues, and more. What if I told you your lymphatic system might be the culprit? In this video, we'll uncover 5 surprising signs that your lymphatic system is clogged and provide practical, all-natural ways to get it flowing again. Stay until the end for an incredible bonus tip that will supercharge your detox journey. Your lymphatic system is like the unsung hero of your body. It's a network of vessels, nodes, and organs including your spleen, tonsils, and thymus that work together to detoxify your body by removing waste, toxins, and harmful bacteria. It also transports white blood cells, boosting immunity and fighting infections, and absorbs fats, helping your body break down nutrients effectively. Unlike the circulatory system, which has the heart to pump blood, your lymphatic system relies on movement, hydration, and gravity to function. If it slows down or gets clogged, waste builds up, affecting every aspect of your health. Let's identify the warning signs. Are you constantly tired, even after 8 hours of sleep? This could be your lymphatic system sending a distress signal. When lymph stagnates, your body struggles to filter out toxins, leaving you feeling drained and sluggish. This is because your cells aren't getting the nutrients they need while waste accumulates, creating a toxic internal environment. Natural fix: gentle physical activity like brisk walking, yoga, or even rebounding, jumping on a mini trampoline, can kickstart lymphatic flow and boost your energy levels. Have you noticed swelling in your legs, feet, or even face? This is called lymphedema, a clear sign your lymphatic system isn't draining fluid effectively. Lymph fluid can accumulate in tissues, leading to visible puffiness and discomfort. Tight clothing, prolonged sitting, or standing can make the problem worse. Pro tip: try dry brushing. Using a soft bristled brush to stimulate lymphatic flow. Always brush toward your heart in circular motions for the best results. Do you feel like you're always getting sick? A clogged lymphatic system weakens your immune defenses. Your lymph nodes act as filters, trapping and destroying harmful bacteria and viruses. When your lymph is stagnant, these filters become overloaded, leaving you vulnerable to infections. Solution: add immune-boosting herbs like echinacea and elderberry to your diet. These herbs not only strengthen your immune system but also support lymphatic health. Your skin is often the first to reveal internal issues. Conditions like acne, eczema, or unexplained rashes could mean your lymphatic system is backed up. When lymph isn't flowing, toxins try to escape through your skin, causing irritation and breakouts. Dullness, redness, and premature aging are also common symptoms. Solution: use lymphatic facial massages combined with adequate hydration. Drinking lemon water can enhance the detox process and give your skin a natural glow. Does your mind feel hazy or unfocused? Brain fog can be a direct result of a congested lymphatic system. The glymphatic system, a lymphatic-like network in the brain, clears toxins while you sleep. If your lymphatic system is sluggish, this cleansing process is hindered, affecting your brain's ability to function optimally. Natural remedy: ensure you get enough deep sleep and include anti-inflammatory foods like walnuts, chia seeds, and turmeric in your meals to support brain and lymphatic health. Let's dive into practical steps you can take today to keep your lymphatic system healthy. First, hydrate generously. Your lymph is mostly water, and dehydration is the quickest way to slow it down. Aim for at least 2 liters of water daily, and add a slice of lemon for extra detox power. Next, eat lymph-friendly foods. Leafy greens, citrus fruits, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower are excellent for detoxifying your lymphatic system. Exercise regularly. Even 20 minutes of light exercise like walking or yoga can make a huge difference. Activities that involve bouncing, like rebounding, are especially effective for lymphatic flow. Try infrared sauna therapy. Sweating is one of the best ways to eliminate toxins. Infrared saunas can help stimulate lymphatic detoxification while relaxing your muscles. Lastly, consider lymphatic massage or acupressure. A trained professional can help drain your lymphatic system manually, but you can also perform simple self-massages at home. As promised, here's your bonus tip. Herbal teas like dandelion root, red clover, and burdock root are powerful lymph cleansers. Dandelion root tea stimulates detoxification and promotes liver health. Red clover is known for its ability to thin lymphatic fluid, making drainage more efficient. Start your day with a warm cup of herbal tea, and you'll notice improvements in no time. Now that you know the signs of a clogged lymphatic system and how to fix it naturally, it's time to take control of your health. Don't forget to check out our video on fruits to naturally detoxify your body to discover more life-changing tips for better health. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to know this. See you in the next video.